Hello students, this is our next class on differentiation. So today we will solve some questions that is based on chain rule, chain differentiation. So let's start our lesson today. So the first question, y equals to 5x plus 7 to the power 10. So we need to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when you are differentiating both sides, first you see we have applied multiplied ddx on both sides. Power comes front, power minus 1, again ddx of bracket part, right? So 10, 5x plus 7 to the power 9, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. ddx of 5x is 5 and ddx of 7 is 0. And all the terms are in multiplication. So multiply 5 10 is 50, that is 50 5x plus 7 to the power 9. So this is our final answer. Right? So similar questions we have seen in the previous class where the power comes front, power minus 1. So here one more thing you have to note that after solving for the power we need to solve for the bracket part also. Okay, so let's move to another question. So next question, y equals to cube root of 2 minus x to the power 5. Cube root, now you see 2 minus x to the power 5 to the power 1 by 3. So the question can be rewritten as this one, 2 minus x to the power 5 1 by 3. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. ddx of y is ddx of 2x minus x to the power 5 to the power 1 by 3. Power comes front, power minus 1. Similarly, ddx of 2 minus x to the power 5. So you see, these first two terms to be copied as it is. 1 by 3 minus 1. When you take 1 by 3 minus 1, what is the LCM? 3. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 by 3. Right? So here we will be getting as minus 2 by 3. ddx of 2 is 0 minus ddx of x to the power 5, that is 5 x to the power 4 directly. The power comes from power minus 1. So all the terms again they are in product, they are in multiplication. So minus x minus 5 x to the power 4 by 3, 2 minus x to the power 5 minus 2 by 3, or this term can be written as 5 by 3 x to the power 4 by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 2 by 3, right? So this is our final answer. While writing on your exercise book or the notebook, you just pause the video and you just make a note, right? So let's move to next question. So question number 3, y equals to x minus 1 root under x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so you see they are in product form, right? So one is u, one is v. So we need to apply here product rule. So what was the product rule? Let's see, ddx of uv, u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. Okay, so what is our u? X minus 1. What is our v? Root under x square minus 2x plus 2. So ddx of y, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So u is our x minus 1. Differentiate ddx root under x square minus 2x plus 2 plus root under x square minus 2x plus 2 ddx of x minus 1. ddx of y, x minus 1, ddx of root under x square minus 2x, you see the term is under square root, right? So in the previous class we have seen that it will come in reciprocal as well as in square root. X square minus 2x plus 2, again ddx of x square minus 2x plus 2 plus squared minus 2x plus 2 ddx of x is 1 minus ddx of 1 is 0. So ddx of y equals to x minus 1 in a numerator, x minus 1 into 1 x minus 1, ddx of x squared is 2x minus 2 divided by 2 root under x squared minus 2x plus 2 plus x squared minus 2x plus 2 as it is, nothing is there, means 1, x minus 1 from the numerator, x minus 1, here 2 can be taken as common, x minus 1 plus root under x square minus 2x plus 2 whole square. You see, in this step we have taken the square root, right? So you will be getting here so 2 can be cancelled here, then you take the LCM. If you take the LCM, we will get x squared minus 2x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole square, plus x squared minus 2x plus 2 whole square, right? So this will get cross multiplied and the root under term will become square. So this can be written as, now you see, if you apply here formula, a square, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus, now square root and square will get cancelled, so we will get here x square minus 2x plus 2 total divided by root under x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so this can be written as dy dx 2x square minus 4x plus 3 total divided by x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. So just you see previous class 2 steps. So here in this stage, first we have taken 2 common outside and 2 and 2 got cancelled. This one to be copied as it is, and in this step we have taken LCM. So LCM is root under x square minus 2x plus 2, and this will get cross multiplied, this will become whole square, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 whole square. Apply formula here and just you add the terms, like terms you add, you will get the final answer. Okay. See next question, that is question number 4. Y equals to a plus x by a minus x to the power 3 by 2. Okay. So this question can be solved by substitution method also. So let's see first how it will be solved by a direct method, direct differentiation. So ddx of y equals to ddx of a plus x, a minus x 3 by 2. Power comes front, power minus 1, that is 3 by 2 minus 1, again ddx of a plus x by a minus x, right? So here you see same formula we have applied, same formula here, 3 by 2 a plus x by a minus x, 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2 minus 1, LCM is 2, that is 3 minus 2 half. So here power is half. So again ddx of now a plus x by a minus x, this one we will consider as u, this one as we will consider as v, right? U and v. So we will apply here division rule. So division rule says that v square v ddx of u, in place of u we have a plus x minus u ddx of v. So here you see 3 by 2 a plus x by a minus x to the power half, a minus x ddx of a is 0 because a is a constant, 0 plus 1 ddx of x is 1 minus a plus x ddx of a is 0 minus ddx of x is 1, right? Total divided by a minus x whole square. 3 by 2 a plus x a minus x to the power half. This can be written as 1 multiplied by a minus x is same a minus x minus minus plus 1 into a plus x, that is a plus x, total divided by a minus x whole square. You see now x is in negative, one term is in negative, one term is in positive, so this can be cancelled. So 3 by 2 a plus x to the power half. You see I have splitted the power now in numerator and denominator. A plus a, that is 2a, total divided by a minus x whole square. You see denominator 2 and numerator 2 will get cancelled, and we will get here 3 a plus x to the power half into a, total divided by, you see now bases are same, so power will be added, a minus x to the power half plus 2, or this can be written as 3a plus x to the power half, total divided by a minus x 5 by 2, right? Because 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So this is our final answer. So 3a bracket a plus x to the power half, total divided by a minus x to the power 5 by 2. Okay. Question number 5. Y equals to a square plus x square, total divided by root under a square minus x square. Okay. Similarly, differentiating both sides with respect to x, ddx of y. You see again the numerator is u and denominator is v. So what was the formula? Same formula we have applied to the previous question also. ddx of u by v, that is v square v ddx of u minus u ddx of v, right? So same formula will be applying here also. X square root under x square minus x square, a square minus x square whole square, v square. So what is our v now again? Root under a square minus x square ddx of u is our a square plus x square minus u ddx of v, a square minus x square, right? ddx of y root under a square minus x square, ddx of a square is 0, ddx of x square is, ddx of a square is 0 and ddx of x square is 2x minus a square plus x square ddx. So again root under term, this can be written as 2 root under x square minus a square minus x square. Again you see ddx of a square minus x square, total divided by square and square root will get cancelled, we will get a square minus x square directly. So a square minus x square to be copied as it is, multiplied by 2x, so 2x will be right in front, minus a square plus x square into ddx of a square is 0 minus ddx of x square is 2x by 2 root under a square minus x square, total divided by a square minus x square, right? Now here 2 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2x a square minus x square. Now minus minus plus, right? Both will get, both the terms are in multiplication. So these terms are in multiplication. So minus minus plus, positive quantity will get 2x a square plus x square, a square minus x square, and here you will see in the denominator is 1, total divided by a square minus x square. Okay, so in the next step what we will do, we will take an LCM. We will take an LCM, we will cross multiply. Okay, so when 2 and 2 will get cancelled, you see you will just get here x, right? 2 and 2 already got cancelled, minus minus plus, so we will get an x here. So this step can be rewritten as a square minus x square as it is, and here we will take an LCM, so you will get 2x root under a square minus x square plus x a square plus x square, total divided by root under term a square minus x square, right? Now you see 2x, when you are taking your LCM, this term got square, right? So when you are multiplying here, square root of a square minus x square, and here also square root of a square minus x square, this will get x square. So this can be written as a square minus x square, because square root and square will get cancelled, plus x a square plus x square, total divided by a square minus x square, root under a square minus x square. Okay, multiply here within the bracket, 2x a square minus 2x cube plus x a square plus x cube, total divided by a square minus x square. You see here power is 1 and power is half. Here power is half, right? So bases are same, so power will be added. So 2x a square and x a square, you see all the terms are same. Here coefficient is 2, coefficient is 1, so 2 plus 1 3, 3x a square, and minus x cube, so 2 minus 1 1, right? Total divided by a square minus x square, 3 by 2, because 1 plus half will give you 3 by 2, okay, if you take LCM. So this is our final answer, right? ddx. So next question, question number 6. Y equals to root under a plus x minus a minus x, total divided by a plus x plus root under a minus x, right? So for this type of question where all the terms are in square root, we will rationalize it. Okay, we will rationalize this term. So rationalization, we know if in the denominator if it is plus, we need to multiply it by minus term, that is a plus x minus a minus x, a plus x minus a minus x. So we are rationalizing the denominator. We are not rationalizing the numerator, just we are rationalizing the denominator in order to remove this square root. Okay, but if you rationalize only numerator, so denominator square root will be as it is, so we cannot go further, so it will become a complex term, right? So always denominator you have to rationalize. So you see in the numerator both the terms are same, so this can be written as a plus x, a minus x root under a minus x whole square, total divided by, one is a plus b, a minus b. So there is one formula, you see what was the formula? A plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so this formula we will be using here, a plus b, a minus b. So this is our a and this is our b, a and b, right? So a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, so you see a minus b whole square, you apply the formula here, a minus b whole square formula, expand it, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? A square plus b square minus 2a, because a minus b whole square formula, total divided by square and square root will get cancelled, minus square and square root will get cancelled, we get this term, right? A plus x, a minus x minus 2 root under a plus x and a minus x. Both the term we have taken in a same square root. A plus x minus a minus minus plus x. So plus a minus a will get cancelled. So here you will get a plus a, that is 2a, plus x and minus x got cancelled, minus 2 root under a plus x, a minus x, total divided by 2x, or this can be written as 2a minus root under a plus x, and a minus x can be written as a square minus b square, total divided by 2x. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So a minus, so this term d dx of y, a minus root under a square minus x square by x. So this term again we have to, so in the left hand side till now we have just rationalized it, right? So we need to write here y, not b dx of y. In this step we will be differentiating now. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is d dx of y. Again v square, what is our v? X square, x d dx of a minus root under a square minus x square minus a minus a square minus x square d dx of x. Okay, so x d dx of a is 0, minus 1 by 2 root under a square minus x square, and again you need to differentiate a square minus x square, that is d dx of a square minus x square. So first d dx of a is 0, d dx of root under term is 1 by 2 root under a square minus x square, and d dx of a square minus x square minus a square minus x square, d dx of x is 1, total divided by x square. Okay, so x plus minus minus d dx of a square is 0 minus 2x, total divided by 2 root under a square minus x square minus a minus minus plus a square minus x square, total divided by x square. Okay, so minus minus plus, so you will get here 2x square minus, or this can be written as a minus a square minus x square by 2 root under a square minus x square. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here denominator is 1 and numerator is x square. So in the next step we have to take again LCM, minus root under a square minus x square into a, that is a root under a square minus x square, and minus minus plus, so root under a square minus x square whole square, total divided by x square, and this will come in the denominator, a square minus x square. So in this step d dx of y, this step to be copied as it is, x square minus a root under a square minus x square plus, So square and square root will get cancelled. Total divided by x square root under a square minus x square, right? Plus and minus term will get cancelled. So here you will get a square minus a root under a square minus x square, total divided by x square, a square minus x square. So you may take a common outside, a minus a square minus x square, total divided by x square root under a square minus x square. So this is our final answer. Okay. Question number 7. Y equals to sine x cube. ddx of y, ddx of sine is cos x cube, and ddx of x cube again. So cos x cube ddx of x cube is 3x square, or this term can be written as 3x square cos x cube. Okay, so this is our final answer. Similarly, in the next question, question number 8, y equals to cos sine x square. So first we will solve for cos. ddx of y, ddx of cos is minus sine, so minus sine x square to be written as it is. Again ddx of sine x square, so minus sine x square, ddx of sine is cos x square, again ddx of x square, right? So this is called chain differentiation. So first we are solving for cos, then again we are solving for sine, again now last for x square. So minus sine x square cos x square, ddx of x square is 2x, or this term can be rewritten as sine x square cos x square. So this is our final answer. Okay. Question number 9. Y equals to root under 1 plus root x, right? So ddx of y, so again it is in root under term, so 1 by 2 root under 1 plus root x as it is. Now ddx of 1 plus root x, 1 by 2 1 plus root x, ddx of 1 is 0 plus 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so ddx of 1 is 0, ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So in the numerator we have only 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4 root x, 1 plus root x. Okay, so this term you see carefully, 1 by 4, this root x term when it goes inside the square root, so this will become square, plus root x square into root x. So 1 by 4 root under x square will get x, because square and square will get cancelled, and here we will get x root x. Okay, so this is our final answer. You see here in this term what we have done. Let us consider we have 3 root x, right? So if you multiply 3 inside, what you will get here? 9x. That means square root of 9 is 3. So when 3 goes inside, it becomes 9. Similarly here we have root x. Root x, when it is going inside, it will become square. Similarly root x square into root x, because root x was already there. So square and square root will get cancelled. We will get x root x. So this is our final answer. Okay. Y equals to t cube plus 4 and t equals to x squared plus 2x. So this type of differentiation is called parametric differentiation. Okay, so you see one term we have in terms of t and one term we have in terms of x. So separately we will be differentiating. So this term y equals to t cube plus 4, we will differentiate with respect to t, differentiating both sides with respect to t, because our variable is t now. So ddt of y, ddt of t cube plus 4. So ddt of t cube is 3t square plus 0, because ddt of 4 is 0. Similarly, when you are differentiating dt equals to x square plus 2x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x now, right? So dd x of t, you will get here 2x plus 2. Now in the question is saying we need to find ddx of y, okay? This one we have to find. So ddx of y can be written as c, dy is in numerator and dx is in denominator, right? And what variable we have here? dt. So dt to be multiplied like this. So ddt of y, we have 3t square into dt by dx is 2x plus 2. So from here 2 can be taken common, 3t square. If you take 2 common, what you will get here? X plus 1, or this can be written as 2 3 is 6, t square x plus 1. Okay. Now you see, in place of t, in the last step, what you will do, in place of t you need to substitute the value of t, that is x square plus 2x whole square and x plus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer. So okay students, so these are the 10 questions we have solved. I will give some assignment or some home task that you need to solve throughout this week, and we'll see in next video soon.